Mandatory in-car breathalyzers a few years away. President Biden's 2021 Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act requires breathalyzers in all new cars. What? As soon as 2026? What? In all new cars? What?
Well,
how long is that going to take? I got to breathe in the thing before I got to go?
I actually haven't even seen this tech before. So,
well, I've seen it where a person has a issue with alcohol, and then as part of their, and maybe they have a couple DUIs, and part of their ability to continue to drive is to have a tube that they blow into, which is somehow hooked up to the ignition. But I've never seen it here where it's just above the steering wheel like that, and it can pick it up without like direct breath into a tube. Starting in a few years, all new vehicles sold in the U.S. must have the ability to passively detect when drivers are under the influence of alcohol. Passively. So you just drive and they're like, hey, man, you're drunk. If they are drunk, the system has to immobilize the car. If this sounds a bit sudden, it actually isn't. According to Automotive News, the rule was hidden in the depths of President Biden's $1 trillion Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act from late 2021. I mean, it's pretty cool.
I feel like someone's going to hack it.
Well, they're going to hack it.
You know, your passenger blows into it.
You're going to hack it.
And you start driving.
You're going to hack it.
Yeah, but I don't think this is coming soon.
Well, they say 2026. Yeah.
Like every single car? We haven't even seen it in one car.
Yeah, I think it's tough. It's going to be tough tech to implement, but I don't know. I mean, I guess it's a cool idea, Will.
I mean, hopefully it's implemented well where it does save lives. Mm-hmm. But I feel like someone's going to hack it.
It is insulting for people who never drink alcohol ever.
Yeah.
They're like, I got to, you're,
you know?
It is slowing me down. But it said passively, so I don't think you're going to even notice it unless you are intoxicated. I mean, I guess that would be the best implementation of the tech. PS5 DualSense Edge controller now works with all of your Apple devices. What if you had a few drinks, but then you had a very serious emergency?
No, you're dead.
I guess
car won't start.
Dead, yeah, you're dead. You got to call somebody else, which is probably safer anyway. But what if it's like Last of Us zombie status? I guess then why are you drinking so much?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Maybe the big push is just self-driving.
Yeah.
Like if it blows over, then the car takes over.
There must have been like a drunken action hero at one time that had to drive. Maybe not. Well, they used to smoke cigarettes, all those guys. Don't do that anymore.
Yeah.
For the most part.